In this video, I will show you the technique of a automatic water wall. We will have a separate Technic tank and the water wall with a bottom tank, which will look like this. For example, we have a water wall, bottom tank, and the technical tank. From the technical tank, we will pump the water through a tube to the water wall's top, where it will be distributed, flow over the wall, and will be collected inside the bottom tank. And from there, it will flow back to the technical tank. So we have a circulation here, which goes like that to the water wall and back. The water will disappear into the air or evaporate to the air, so that the water level will sink. When the water level sinks, which happens in both tanks simultaneously, the swimming valve will open and refill the system with lime-free water. Here I will show you a picture of a swimming valve. So here you see the technical tank in which we have the swimming valve. This will open as soon as the water level sinks. And here you can see the main pump and the tube, which goes inside the pipe to the water wall at the front. So this is the refilling part. We refill with purified reverse osmosis water, which is lime free, so we avoid calcification in the system. And we also add a water additive to the water wall daily by a metering unit, and this water additive will protect the water against algae and bacteria. And what we also always install is a dirt filter. In this example, it is a dirt filter which will be outside the system, above the technical tank. And in this example, we will use a separate second pump to supply the dirt filter. And we pump inside the dirt filter, and the pure water will come back to the system. But you can also use one big pump to supply both the water wall and the dirt filter. In the example which I've shown you here, we have a very simple dirt filter made by a sponge. So the water from the water wall will come back through this pipe, and it has to go through this sponge before it reaches the pump. And then in this part we will have always the pure water. And here we have the pump, which then will pump the pure water back to the water wall through the tube, which in this example is also going through the pipe which is connected to the water wall. So here you can see the same thing from the backside. We have the technical tank, which is connected by a 70 millimeter diameter pipe. Inside this pipe we have the tube from the pump, which pumps to the bottom. Here inside the bottom tank of the water wall, we distribute the tube into two parts, and one part goes in the right side up to the water distribution, and the other part goes in the left side up to the water distribution. Then at the customer's place, when we have installed everything, it looked like that. At the other side of that wall you will find the water wall. Here we have the technical tank. Here is the reverse osmosis, which produces the lime-free water. We connected the reverse osmosis by a 6 millimeter tube to the filling valve, which you've seen before. And here is the metering unit, this blue box, and a 5-liter canister with water additive against algae and bacteria. And this is also connected by a 6 millimeter tube to the technical tank. Here you see the overflow protection. So if the water would rise uncontrolled, it would not overflow, but it would be led to the drain. So I hope this was beneficial for you to see how a automatic water wall runs, and I would be happy if you join us in our community and subscribe to our membership site, which is free. There you will find more videos and plans and manuals how to build a individual water wall. Thank you.